Our narrow hair clip is perfect for shorter, fine hair. You release the clip from the ball on the other side of the clip, fold it open, and to secure it again, you push it down until you hear a click. You can slide it into your hair really easily, and then once again, push on the ends until you hear a click. The small filigree hair clip is made through a 10-step painstaking process. This is our most detailed small clip in our handmade collection, and it's perfect for just securing small amounts of hair at the back.